Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Covidien Nellcor PM10N patient monitoring system pulse oximeter and you need to change the batteries on it. Either because you know you need to replace the batteries or because it's not working and you're trying to figure out why. It might just be that it needs fresh batteries. Now, it takes 4 AA batteries and you need to use lithium batteries because that's the batteries that it has come with. If you want to use alkaline batteries, you can, but you will need to go into the service menu and change the battery type to alkaline. But anyways, if you don't have the batteries, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get some lithium AA batteries. Once you have them, you need 4 of them. You're just going to come in on the back of the machine with it turned off. Turn it off first, and then just push down this little tab on the top of the battery case, and it will pull the old batteries out, and then just put the new batteries in, going plus side up, plus side down, plus side up, plus side down. And then you can go ahead and put the case back on. And really that's all there is to it. The batteries have now been replaced. So I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.